guys, today I'm going to be showing you my cardboard box hammer. I made it all myself, just cardboard, paper, tape, and scissors is all I used to make it. If you see a blanket on top of it, I did not make that. It's just a normal blanket. So let's actually get into the video. I know it may not look good. I tried my best. I couldn't find any good box cameras, but just ignore them from the old times. They're just like a regular old box. I'll just take a shot out. Here it is. I know, I tried. But you look in there. It's actually a working lens. If you actually, yes, proof that it actually is like a nice weird shrink. Yes, but we can actually make this work. You have to have an Instax camera, digital camera, Instax camera, or film camera, and you actually put it through the lens like you're actually using a box camera. And then take your picture, and with Instax, you probably want to take your camera or just tilt it to the side so the film, with the Instax main 11 and 9, or other kinds of Instax camera, but if the film comes out at the top or the bottom side in front, you want to if you use the Polaroid now or plus something, you have to, like, if I were to have that, let's say I took a picture, I'd have to move the camera back so I can have room for the film to come out. And with the Instax Mini 11, I had to tilt it so it can have room to come out. Like, here's a picture I took with my sister.
I don't like his sister, but she has my Sprite.
Yeah, proof that my sister just drinks Sprite.
Oh yeah,
right there. I know you guys.
He's doing
sorry that you guys can't see it.
Crazy cocoa.
Yes, let's get actually into the inside of this.
Because he drinks all my Sprite.
So we're just gonna take cover off. Yes, I tried this. Really good. I'm actually gonna put the camera. Here's the inside. Yes, proof that. No. Yeah, I will add a light in there. But once I take a picture of it, let's see if the tiny little lens on there actually comes like that. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and see you later.
I'll come to your house at the morning.
Don't listen to that kid. He's real sus. But please make sure to like, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.